gonna make lentil soup. It's very tasty. We can eat it with fish or broccoli or whatever, bread. First we're gonna need water, boiling water, and I measure one of this glass full with lentils. We put the lentils in, then we add the onion and the garlic. One garlic and one onion, not too big, not too small, a regular. Okay, then we need some salt, some pepper, and tomato sauce, a glass too. We mix them. Then we put some bay leaves. You can find it in every supermarket. It's very tasty in the food. And in the end, we put some olive oil. And we leave it to boil for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We try it after 20 minutes to see if they're ready. Enjoy!